Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Birmingham Midshires mortgage account. So go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser and then go to Google. Now search for Birmingham Midshires mortgage login, and then you can go ahead and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of BM Solutions, also known as Birmingham Midshires Solutions. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click on this page over here, and then you can see that you can log into the account after clicking on existing customers. It might take some time, but you can surely go and log in yourself, and then you can get into the Birmingham Midshires mortgage account. So if it doesn't load, you can go back and then you can search for Birmingham Midshires account again. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, and then you can click on this link, this link, this link, this link, or these link, and then log into your account. It's quite simple, guys. You can log into your account very easily in Birmingham Midshires mortgage account, and then you can do your business. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.